Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw line in WPS Office Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a new document in my WPS Office application and I'm going to show you how we can draw line. First of all, we can go to the insert menu and you're going to select shapes, and here you can choose lines and you're going to choose the line that you want to draw. For example, I'm going to select scribble. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw random line like this, and then you can change the color if you want. You can go to the outline and change the color here. Okay, I'm going to select red. Okay, and let me try another line. Let's try this block arrows. Okay, and I'm going to draw it. Okay, then we can change the outline like this, and also we can change the shape styles. Okay guys, and that's all the way to draw line in WPS Office. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.